Hello everyone. So दोस्तों welcome back to Dhirendra Tech Academy. So in today's video we are going to learn Nutanix Lifecycle Manager. It's called LCM. Most important tools for managing and upgrading your Nutanix infrastructure. So we will see how LCM help you perform AOS, AHV, firmware, BIOS, BMC, and other component upgrades from a single interface with minimum manual efforts. It also perform compatibility check, health validations, and automate the upgrade sequence to help keep the cluster available during the maintenance. So दोस्तों Nutanix Lifecycle Manager simply automate, keep your Nutanix environment up to date. So this is a sequence: first plan, pre-check, download, upgrade, and validates. Index. So what we will cover for today video. So first we will learn about the introductions to Nutanix LCM, what is the overview and purpose, login and navigations, performance cluster upgrade, pre-upgrade check, rolling updates setup, and key benefit of LCM, and later we will do the hands-on lab. So what is the life cycle Nutanix Lifecycle Managers LCM? Nutanix Lifecycle Manager is an integrated automation tool that simplify the management of software, firmware, and component updates across Nutanix clusters. It ensures version compatibility, minimize downtime through a rolling update. This streamlines the entire upgrade process with one-click orchestrations. LCM support update for AHV, AOS, NCC, foundations, firmware, and other cluster components, making it an ideal solutions for enterprise environment including internet connected and dark side offline deployments. That means that dosto, the LCM is just simply provide the streamline upgrade your tennis infrastructures to upgrade the AHV, AOS, NCC, and the other components. And it is the two type. One is for the online. In that case, the Nutanix Lifecycle Manager directly connected with the internet and download the patches and upgrade and then upgrade to your infrastructure. Second is for the offline. Offline in the sense we already downloaded the upgrade from the internet and save on our C drive and we can upload these upgrade in our LCM repository and post that we will start the upgrade. So it is called a dark side. It's called a dark side offline. So what is the key benefits? Automated software and firmware lifecycle management. You do not need to do anything. You have just put the command to upgrade. So post that the Nutanix is very smart. It will do one by one. Suppose that we have 3 and 4 nodes in your Nutanix cluster. So first it will complete on the first node. It simply migrate all the virtual machine with the other node in the cluster and put that nodes in the maintenance mode. Then after it complete upgrade your AHV AOS, and once it complete it automatically they do the health checkup. If everything is good, the Nutanix automatically take it out from the maintenance mode and migrate back the virtual machine on this nodes, and then after it will go to the second host. The second host will go to the maintenance mode, and this is going on. So it is a one click orchestrations. You have just simply upgrade it and it will do one by one. Suppose you have 1 2 3 AHB, so one by one. So compatibility and pre-check updates. So rolling upgrades with minimum downtime. There is no downtime in this case. Simply that node would be the not available, which is part of the upgrades. Support connected and dark side environment. It means that you can either pay download the upgrades and then upload in the LCM repository, or you can directly connect with the internet. Simplify cluster maintenance and operations. Next is how. Step to perform a Nutanix cluster upgrade. First, access the LCM. How you can access the LCM? You open the Nutanix cluster dashboard and go to the home and go to the LCM. Here is the LCM. Log in the Prism element and Prism Center, navigate the lifecycle managers, and then click the inventory. Once you click the LCM, then click the inventory, confirm the scan, and LCM collect hardware, firmware, and software version. It will automatically detect. So LCM automatically check version dependencies, run pre-upgrade health check, and validate cluster readiness, plan upgrade, choose component to upgrade AHV, AOS, and C. You need to select which component you want to upgrade. By default, we choose all, not select a simple. It will do after upgrading the AHV, AOS, and C, because this is a hardware. This is a hardware level, and this is a software. It is a hardware level. LCM generate in optimized upgrade sequence. So here, once you click on the LCM, after you perform the inventory. Once you click on the perform inventory, so you found this. Here basically you found that the current version. Here you see the current version. The current version is E18, the HB18, AOS versions, FS7. These are the current version which is running on your Nutanix cluster. And what is the available version? 10.0.18 is AHB version, AWS version is available, FSM version is 5.3, and foundation version is 5.1. So these available version means these are available and you can upgrade your current version like this to this. Here you need to click the view the upgrade plan, and then it will start to upgrade. So here you can upgrade. It's showing the 5 upgrade, and it's showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and execute the upgrade. Click the upgrade buttons here. To upgrade, you can also pre-upgrade. You can check that the compatibility version, all these things you can through the to click on here and do the pre-check. And once complete, then view the upgrade plan. Rolling upgrade nodes are updated at the time to minimize downtime. Monitor progress in LCM dashboard. You can check here that what is the dashboard is going on. You can check the how what is the how much percentage complete and what is running at that time. Okay, this is the way. Here you can check current version, and this is the available. These are the available version. You can check and post out that you can. Once the upgrade is complete, the post upgrade validation verify cluster health and function. You need to check the cluster health, function, everything you need to check. Export upgrade logs and report for compliance. You can run ncc. Once you run the ncc and the ncc report, you will find the logs and you find the reports that in case there is there any issue, you can mitigate it. So here after upgrade, you take the inventory, perform the inventory. After perform the inventory, it will show that the AHV version it is upgrade 29/2026. At that time at 5:30 p.m. IST, I have upgraded my infrastructure. This is the AOS, FSM, these are the things we have upgraded. Foundation 2.15, LCM, NCC 5.3, and these are the security AOS. So these things I have upgraded these things. So this is a complete way to how to upgrade the your Nutanix cluster. Okay, dosto. So that's all about the Nutanix Lifecycle Manager LCM. Now that we will cover that concept and key features, let's move to the hands-on lab where we will learn how to use LCM to upgrade AHV, AOS, NCC, and Foundation step by step. So let's get started. Today we will show how we upgrade our Prism element क्लस्टर्स. तो दोस्तों ये हमारे पे जो एलिमेंट क्लस्टर है, मैंने इसमें लॉगिन किया अपने क्लस्टर पे, एंड दिस इज आवर डैशबोर्ड. सो दोस्तों जब भी हम इसको लॉगिन करेंगे, सो जब भी हमें कुछ अपडेट करना है तो एट फर्स्ट वी नीड टू गो टू द LCM, बिकॉज LCM के थ्रू ही हम सारे अपडेट करते हैं. क्लिक ऑन द LCM. LCM के सबसे पहले आप परफॉर्म इन्वेंट्री करेंगे. परफॉर्म इन्वेंट्री करोगे एंड देन प्रोसीड. सो नाउ द इन्वेंट्री इज परफॉर्मिंग द इन्वेंट्री. सो ये सारा स्कैन करेगा, आपकी इन्वेंट्री पूरी स्कैन करेगा. देन आफ्टर इट विल शो दैट the current version of our AOS and AHV, and the recommended version of the AHV and AOS, and it will going to pre-check and all these things. So जैसे ये सारा चेक कर लेगा तो उसके बाद इशू होगा. तो it will take around 5 to 10 minutes based on your internet connectivity, and then after it will show the latest and current version and the upgrade version. So दोस्तों it is taking the inventory. So all there are 2-3 stages here. Basically inventory, task, CVM, all these things it is taking. It will take another 5 to 10 minutes. So the inventory is completed. So here you find that the return to the inventory. When you click on the return on the inventory, so you will find out that this is a cluster name, AHV hypervisor, this is E18, AOS version is 6.81. If you click on it, it is showing a FSM is 5.0, Foundation 5.6, and 5.15. This is the licensing, and CC 5.0. This is the current version. So if you go to the update here, here is your founder software and firmware. Software means your AHV, AOS, FSM, foundations, NCC. Firmware means your physical hardware firmware, your BIOS, your HP drivers, your network driver. All these come under the BIOS because it is my virtual machine. So that's why it is now showing the firmware. Now let's click the software. So here in software, remember that current version, come here, current version E18, available version 10.0.18, current version 6.81, available version 6.12, same is FSM, foundation and NCC. These are the current version, these are the available version. Suppose that you have 6, 5, 5, 10 AHB nodes, so it will go one by one. Simply you need to select all, you go to select all, then go to the select all, and then view the upgrade plan. Just click on it, it's gathering the information. सो दोस्तों यहाँ पे इसने बता दिया, देखो AHV, AOS, FSM सारे वर्जन यहाँ पे आगे, ये इंस्टॉल्ड वर्जन है एंड 5.61 एंड ये रिकमेंडेड है। देखो E18 now 10.01, install version 6.81, now AOS is 7.0. Then go to the next. Here what is it? Before upgrading, if the cluster is registered with the Prism Central, ensure that the Prism Central has been upgraded first to compatible version. So कभी भी प्रिज्म एलिमेंट अपग्रेड करने से पहले आपका प्रिज्म सेंटर शुड बी अपग्रेड, दैट्स व्हाई अदरवाइज इट विल compatibility issue and your if your prism element is higher version than your prism center will not communicate with your prism element. So now go to apply the 5 update, just click over here and it's going to update. So it will take another, it's starting दोस्तों, ये स्टार्ट करने लग गया। आप यहाँ पे लाइफ साइकिल मैनेजर स्टार्टिंग ऑन इट, सो ये इसको अपग्रेड, तो दिस इज द प्रोसेस। तो यहाँ पे दोस्तों देख सकते हो अब स्टार्ट हो गया एंड यहाँ पे क्लिक करके तो क्या यहाँ पे डिटेल दिखा देगा क्या क्या कर रहा है करके। फर्स्ट स्टेज में ओवरऑल प्रोग्रेस, रीचेक एंड इंस्टॉल अपडेट। दोस्तों it's still running LCM pre-check, test NCC check. So it is checking all the configurations, all the compatibilities, and post that it will start to upgrade the AOS and AHV, NCC and foundations. So दोस्तों here you can check, start downloading the AOS image for cluster to run the pre-checks. So it is downloading from the internet, all the binaries to download from the internet. It's still ongoing, starting download the AOS image on the cluster to run pre-upgrade check. Yeah, it's still ongoing. So it's starting to upgrade. So friends, so it is going to update. So it's going on. So now I'm going to apply. So it's downloading. Now it's going to upgrade. It's update the AOS performing operation on CVM decision. So it will going start. So it will take another 5 to 10 minutes to complete it. So it's still going on. Yes, it's still ongoing दोस्तों, अभी भी चल रहा है। Our upgradation is completed. Let me log in on that cluster. It's admin and this is the password. So the time to log in. So it's login now. Yeah, that's great. All good. Now again, it's still showing upgrade. A was 100% complete. Pre-upgrade 100% complete. LCM root task has been created. Still, it's going to 42%. Let's it's complete. Then after we again run the inventory and then we will check our update version. So दोस्तों, still the LCM root task has been created. It's going to in progress. It's 61%. So दोस्तों, it is now 85% complete. Once it completes, then after we run the inventory once again, and then we will check our updates. It's completed. So let me log in on the page element cluster, admin and password, and then log in. Let's see. Oh, that's great. Yeah, that's great. Let's again go to the LCM. Whenever you will perform this activity on your production environment and a customer infra, at that time after completing the upgradations, again you need to take the inventory, perform inventory process, and will take another 5 to 10 minutes, and then after you need to check whether your upgrade is showing or not. So let's run this inventory. As you can see, the inventory process has been completed successfully and all the required Nutanix component has been upgraded. So now the upgradation is complete and you can see that the AHV version is now upgrade. US version is this. It's upgrade on 29th. FSM version, foundation version, and foundation platform, licensing, NCC, and AOS security. So all the AOS AHV version has been upgraded. So this is the way. And here, if you go, there is no software, no new updates. So all upgrade has been completed. So this is the way how we can upgrade the our AOS cluster. All good. If you will go for the health, yes, and yes, goes. It's okay. I'll go to the home. So here, resilience is okay. So all good. This demonstration has Nutanix Lifecycle Managers enable you to upgrade the cluster software with zero downtime, ensuring your virtual machine remain online throughout the entire upgrade process. There is no downtime. You found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Dhirendra Tech Academy for more hands-on Nutanix tutorial. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy learning.